As negotiations proceed, you can seek smart trades, our next good practice. This involves looking for opportunities to trade priorities. If you have to give ground, seek an issue that means less to you but means a lot to your counterpart, and then look to gain ground on issues that mean more to you and may be easier for them to concede. We call this a smart trade. If your overriding priority is salary, what else could you offer the employer that they might value? Or if you have to give ground on salary, what else could you ask for that would hold value for you? Pulling off these smart trades requires thinking about and talking about multiple issues at once. Giving some thought to these trades and bundles in advance can help you find a deal that holds value for both sides.